Welcome everyone, this is Kalen102 on Roblox playing Fight 2013. Um, I am entering Victoria Airport. I am going to be showing you how to land the regular planes other than Kalen or MD-11. I'm going to be, right now I'm showing you how to fly the Boeing 737-800 Delta airline. To land a regular plane at the Boeing 737, you will need to decrease your altitude to about 80 and your knots to about 89. As you see, somebody just crashed, so I am not going to go that far. I am going to go at this point with the other runway. I'll actually start taking off right here. It looks like I'm probably not going to be able to make it to the end of the runway. Or am I? I am off. Gears up. And we're heading to Mirage Airport, which is southeast of Victoria, slightly east. Mirage in sight, gear down, decreasing knots. So let your gear down, you push the GT and to decrease your knots, push the down arrow key. And we are going to be landing in about 40 seconds. Increasing my altitude. Landing. As you see, I have failed the first time. I have failed the second time. I am going to try again, and I know how to land these things. I'm just a little nervous. I'm circling the Lodge Airport at full speed at 500, above 500. Decreasing speed. And that time I have landed. Okay, now I am going to reset. Now I'm going to show you how to land the Artilleria or ctj-1000. We're going to land at Santiago this time. Fastest speed is going to be about 30. The CRJ, this plane goes about 200 knots airspeed, and I'm going to take off from the same point I took off before. There is the MD-11 KLM Airlines. I'm going to have to hold. I will now pull up. Okay, I have been given permission to take off. We are off and we're going to head to Santiago. Gears up. Santiago is about It is southeast from Vic. Santiago is like slowing down to about 90 knots. Gears down. Increasing speed to 111 knots. Increasing altitude. Increasing speed 90. 90. Going to have to go in steep. And we have landed at Santiago. And that is it for this session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.